Hello, and welcome to the Metro MLS webinar reviewing My Listings under the search menu. So in this webinar, I will review what My Listings is and how you can change the settings for them. So let's begin. So if you want to look at listings that you currently are on the listing agent side of, you just click on your menu button, and then when it opens up underneath the search section, click on My Listings. Now it'll show you your listing statuses depending on what settings you have in general preferences, and I'll review this in a moment. So these are my listings that I currently have that are in active status. So from here you have the same options that you do on any search results screen. So if you wanted to email them, print them, export them, say, whatever you wanted to do, you still have the same options. Now, what I mean by settings is you can change what statuses that you want to see in here. So if you want to see your off-market listings or your delayed listings or your pending listings, how you edit those settings is you go into menu, and then underneath the preferences section, click on general preferences. Okay, so moving on down the list here, this is the section that you want to look for. My listings, what statuses should be included. So here, this is where you can choose the statuses to be included in that My Listings screen. So you may want to choose active and pending and delayed. Whatever you want to choose, you can choose all of them if you want to. Now anything that's off market, that's expired, sold, or withdrawn, this setting applies to those three. Off-market listings older than this many days will not appear on the My Listings screens. So this is, I think the default is 30 days. You can make that whatever number of days that you want. So if you only want to see your off-market listings at only for 30 days, and then after the 31st day you want them to drop off, then you make that call yourself. Whatever number that you want that on there, that you pop that on there. Okay? So this will conclude our review of My Listings in FlexMLS.